Alright, this time it's not about skylights but about solar hot water systems on tiled roofs in this instance. There's a leak on this roof and appearing in the room below about here. You can see that evidence of water leaking down, and it's then dropping into the room below. So see whether we can track where this leak's coming from. Directly upstream, we've got the hot water system, so could be a culprit. Let's check as we move up to the next row. Yeah, evidence here, water streaking all the way down, so appearing under the hot water system. So the hot water system could be a culprit. You can see that this hot water system here is not really in use. It's an old one. It's dilapidated is one word for it. So it really shouldn't be sitting on the roof. This whole system I don't think has been used anymore. But I think there's two things. Water could be coming in under the hot water system, and that's going to be a real problem because you need to take the hot water system out to find out where it's leaking from and to fix the leak. Maybe it's not under the hot water system, so let's have a bit of a look. Let's keep going upstream, and here we've got water penetration, pipe penetrations into the roof from the hot water system. And look a bit closer, we see this the electrical pipe that runs through the roof, and we had just lifted this old seal off, and you can see that the seal came off quite easily, so it would have been leaking. You can see that it's not quite clean around there, so water's been going in straight through the hole right here and following the roof down, and I think that's what's causing the leak. So hopefully that's the reason why the roof is leaking in this area, and we can do a repair, and that the hot water system doesn't have to be taken away to fix the leak. Ultimately, it's no good having a redundant hot water system on the roof, because these will gather under the hot water system, and what you will have is a whole lot of leaves underneath the hot water system, and that will lead to blockage of the drainage system and ultimately water leakage under the panels, and they'll be very hard to track. So hot water systems can cause problems.